Welcome to Unity Maidenhead and our little video blog where we share about what's coming up, what's exciting us here in all the work that we do. And hardly believe it myself, but we are starting to prepare for Christmas. We have the Advent season starting at the end of November. And as always, Unity produces an Advent booklet with daily readings and thoughts and affirmations to help create a spiritual preparation for Easter, to make Christmas that very special time of year when we celebrate the rebirth of the Christ presence in us and as us. So with our Advent booklet, we have daily evening meditations that we will be starting again on the 28th of November. Every evening from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, you'll be able to join us on Zoom, taking part in the readings and the meditations and the reflections. And when we do that as a group, it really helps that awareness deepen in us. We're not on this planet to journey alone, we journey together. So we invite you to journey through the season of Advent with us. I'll also be advertising our Unity Wall calendar for 2022. It's a very popular calendar. I personally love the pictures and the thoughts and the affirmations. So you'll be able to find that on our shop. And this year, for the first time, we have Christmas cards. Unity Daily Word in America has designed 5 different Christmas cards in one set. So there's three of each design, each with a wonderful statement in the middle, very Unity-minded. We're going to be selling these as packs, gift sets. You can also find on the shop, on the website. It's a way of sharing our Unity message with beautiful drawings and words to help support those we love. So that's also available. See, lots going on. And also for those of you that were hoping to attend Maggie's workshop in October but couldn't make that date, we have good news. It had to be postponed. Unforeseen circumstances came up for Maggie. We've moved the workshop to the 20th of November and invite you to join us then. As always, booking your place with a donation. Again, you can find that on our website. If you go to events, you'll see the workshop listed there. And forward thinking, for January 2022, we will be starting education classes in Unity. We are planning a Foundations in Unity course, looking at Discover the Power Within and Lessons in Truth. If you are interested and would like to take part in this course with us, please email me. It's kimmery.mapletoft@unityuk.org, or you can come via info@unityuk.org or silent.unity@unityuk.org. All these ways you can reach me, and we can include you in the detailed information that we will be sending out later on in November. So, lots happening. Lots to keep us busy. As always, our ongoing prayer and meditation daily meetings are happening on Zoom. You are warmly invited to join us. Let us be part of your spiritual journey. We're honored to share this journey with you. And as always, remember that we are here to pray with you and for you, and you can contact us for prayer through our website. Bless you, and thank you for listening and being with us today.